What's going on, Sacred Family? Today I'm going to be showing you guys this insane invisible flicker inside After Effects. Super clean effect to do, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. The month of August is almost done. I drop videos every single day this month. That like button, if you haven't already, all it does is free support, guys. It helps you to push my videos out to other editors as well. So please hit that like button. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. This will be the clip we'll be working with inside After Effects, guys. First thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and rotoscope our subject out from the background. If you guys don't know how to rotoscope, I'm going to link down a video below where I show you guys exactly how to rotoscope in a great tutorial. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and speed up this rotoscoping part. Right before you guys freeze it up, make sure you go to invert foreground and background. We're going to check that off. Then we'll go ahead and freeze it up. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and close out the layer. And when we play it back, as you can see, we have something like this, and this is exactly what we want. If you guys don't see the transparency grid, all you do is go here to transparency, go ahead and turn it on. If you don't want it on, that's fine too, it doesn't really matter. As you guys can see, that's what we want. Then we're gonna go to our content aware fill. If you guys don't see this, go up to window, content aware fill. I have my alpha expansion at 16. You guys go ahead and copy that as well. Make sure the fill method is selected on object. Go ahead and check off lighting correction. Make sure the range is the work area. After that, go ahead and generate fill layer and then let it do its thing. So now when we play it back, our object is invisible. That's exactly what we want. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and duplicate that layer, that rotoscope. We're gonna go ahead and delete the rotoscope from that layer, and we're gonna bring that above the fill. So now our subject is back in place. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in 2 frames, 1, 2, Control Shift D. We're gonna go in 2 frames again, 1, 2, Control Shift D. We're gonna go ahead and delete that. Let's go 2 frames in again. 1, 2, Control Shift D. 1, 2, Control Shift D. Delete. So you guys are doing this every time. Now when we play it back, you can see we get that flicker effect already. So we're gonna keep doing that. We're gonna do that a couple more times. 1, 2, cut. 1, 2, cut. Like that. 1, 2, cut. 1, 2, cut. Like that. As you guys can see, it's flickering. Now I'm gonna bring this to the end. Bring this out a couple frames, about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, cut. Now we'll go 2 frames to the right. 1, 2, cut. 1 frame longer. Now we play it back. We have something like this, and it's looking super fire. Now for us to spice that up, guys, we're gonna go back to the clip that we rotoscoped. Control D. We're gonna double click on it. We're gonna unfreeze it, and then we're gonna uncheck the invert foreground and background. You guys will see right now what I'm doing, and we're gonna freeze that back up. And once that's frozen, we can go ahead and close out the layer. We're gonna rename this so we know what we're working with. We're gonna put second roto. And now, pay attention, guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring that above the fill. We're gonna leave it under the clips that we did for the invisibility. So go ahead and cut that up. Cut it right there. Cut it up. Cut it right there, cut it up, bring it right there. If I single it out, just so I can show you guys what we're working with just the rotoscope body instead of the background. We're gonna set that normal to screen. If you guys don't see it, you go toggle switches in mode, and we're gonna scale it up. But make sure you guys put that rotoscope above the frame that we cut up from the beginning. What we're pretty much creating here is kind of like a ghost mist of the subject. So this was the rotoscope that we did. We're gonna go ahead and bring that up above the frame. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna change that to screen. We're gonna go ahead and scale that up. And let's bring the opacity to 50. Let's do that to the other one as well. Press T on your keyboard, bring the opacity 50. And we're gonna do that for the remaining of the clips. Let's grab that. Let's go ahead and bring it up. Press T for opacity. Bring it to 50. Bring that to screen. I'm gonna scale that up to 105. Let's bring that scale to 110. Mask the other one. So go ahead and do that for all these clips. Now when we play it back, guys, it kind of looks like a little ghost trail on his body, which is pretty fire. I think I might go back and bring the scale to 130. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's fire. Instead of screen, guys, I'm liking how the normal look is looking. But you guys, this is all personal preference. If you guys like screen, you could keep it. But I'm gonna set them all back to normal, and I'm gonna bring the scale on all of them to 130. We'll go ahead and do that for all of them, and let's see how it's looking. When we play it back, we got something like that, which is pretty fire. Looks like a little ghost trail with them. And that's the end of this tutorial, guys. If you learned something new and you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that like button if you haven't hit it yet. It really helps support my channel, guys, and it really motivated me to keep dropping videos for y'all. With that being said, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.